हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू डिजिटल कक्षा एकेडमी। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे माई जीओवी ऐप में दिए हुए एक और काफ़ी अच्छे इनिशिएटिव के बारे में, जो कि है इंटर्न विद माई जीओवी दिस विंटर, अप्लाई नाउ। सो एज यू कैन सी हेयर, वी कैन अप्लाई फॉर इंटर्नशिप in MyGOV app, and we can learn a lot of things here. So let's see what is the internship program and what we are going to learn in this particular program. So first of all, we'll discuss about the program. So MyGOV is citizen engagement platform of the Government of India, and our mandate is to highlight the positive key flagship schemes of Government of India and its many ministries and departments, and engage with our users, साथीज जिनको ये बोलते हैं. So through various youth centric online and offline engagement activities, and we also partner with different ministries in order to promote their various policies, collect public feedback, and ensure citizen participation in various government programs. So ये हमारा एक तरीके से माई जीओवी के बारे में जो बताया जा रहा है वो है. So it is also trusted platform for citizens when it comes to important government news. For example, during these challenges time, MyGov is one of the first platform to which young and older netizens turn for the लेटेस्ट ऑथेंटिक न्यूज़ अबाउट कोविड. बेसिकली तो कोविड से रिलेटेड सारी ऑथेंटिक न्यूज़ हमें माई जी ओ वी ऐप पर मिलती है. माई जी ओ वी ऑफर्स अ चांस ऑफ being involved in government, and it is an exciting opportunity to gain an insight to citizen engagement with the government. MyGov is not now looking for onboarding interns. So this basically this program is related to interns. So what are the roles and responsibilities of this internship program? So this internship engagement is full time and is designed to be world class learning experience for the internee, and mentored by seasoned policy management and communication expert. And if you are undergraduate student looking to add to your learning, or a recent graduate ready to add this internship to your portfolio, this is the opportunity for you. So areas proposed are management team involved in the overall functioning of MyGov, requires managerial and coordination skill as well as understanding of public policy. Partnership team will involve in engagement with different ministries, requires strong interpersonal skills and understanding of public policy. Social media research and creative team involved in information dissemination through the website and social media, requires a policy background, research ability, and good writing skills. HR team involved in basically recruitment and daily HR operational activities. Graphic designing, so designing infographics, logos, banners, etc. for the website and social media, requires design training in area, and IT tech development and software testing involved in providing tech support to MyGov platform, requires appropriate skills in these fields. तो ये सारी फील्ड्स हैं जिनमें हम इंटर्नशिप के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सबसे पहले रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या होंगी? अंडर ग्रेजुएट और पोस्ट बेसिकली ग्रेजुएट जो भी होंगे वो इसके लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एक्सेलेंट वर्बल एंड रिटन कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इन इंग्लिश, हिंदी और एनी मेजर इंडियन लैंग्वेज. प्रोफिशिएंसी इन वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग, स्प्रेडशीट्स, प्रेजेंटेशन, सोशल मीडिया टूल्स, है ना, कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स, डिज़ाइनिंग, इन सब चीज़ों में आपकी प्रोफिशिएंसी होनी चाहिए, आपको आना चाहिए इनको यूज़ करना. ओके, एंड ईगर टू लर्न एंड वर्क एंड डिज़ायर टू इनोवेट एंड एक्सेल. ड्यूरेशन, the minimum duration of internship shall be 2 months from the date of joining, and extendable depending upon the performance of the candidate. Requirement of the department and time the intern is willing to spend with the department. And the code of conduct, the intern appointed by MyGov shall observe MyGov standard code of conduct and which shall be shared before the selected intern joins. So, and remuneration, there is no cash remuneration. A certificate of internship will be issued on successful completion. So means there is no any cash remuneration. So you will get a certificate of from the government of India basically, and a certificate of internship is basically will be issued by MyGov on completion of internship and submission of report duly countersigned and accepted by the competent authority. So that is it. This is the information about the internship program, and you can simply click to the participate now, and you will go to the different link to participate in this program. Here you will have to log in. You will put your details, or you can simply log in via Google or Facebook. So I'll choose my account. It is asking my mobile number, so I will put my mobile number here. Submit. And then I'll have to put one OTP. So once I log in, as you can see here, my personal details are already filled here. I'll have to choose my date of birth. तो यहाँ पर आप अपनी डेट ऑफ बर्थ फिल कर देंगे. Then you will have to put your address here. Now select your district. Write your pin code and which internship is required. Basically areas you have to choose na, areas of interest. So you can apply for social media, content writing, research, marketing, IT and development, graphic designing, human resources, management training. So suppose if I am interested, I can choose multiple areas as well. So I am choosing social media, content writing, marketing, graphic designing and management training. Okay, you can choose all. In IT I don't have any experience, so I'll leave it. यहाँ पर आपको अपनी डिटेल्स फिल करनी है. सो यहाँ पर डिटेल्स आप फिल कर दोगे. कब आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो वो आपको बताना है कि कितने दिन पहले आप, मतलब एक तरीके से नोटिस टाइप का ना. व्हेन कैन यू ज्वाइन इफ सेलेक्टेड फॉर इंटर्नशिप. इमीडिएटली, 15 डेज, 30 डेज. अदर विच कैटेगरी, यहाँ पे कैटेगरी आपको लिखनी है. वर्क एक्सपीरियंस बताना है. CV अपलोड करना है यहाँ पर आपको. एंड आफ्टर दैट डिस्क्राइब इन 100 words why you wish to join MyGov and how you would contribute. So here you have to upload a sample work, okay, and it should not be more than 2 pages. सोशल मीडिया, कंटेंट राइटिंग एंड रिसर्च या मार्केटिंग, इन सब के लिए अगर आपने अप्लाई किया है then please upload a writing sample of not more than 2 pages. If you have applied for graphic designing then please upload your portfolio of not more than 2 pages. तो यहाँ पर जो भी आपने वर्क किए हैं, अपने असाइनमेंट जो भी आपका है उसको आप अपलोड कर सकते हो. and it should not be more than 2 pages. then सोशल मीडिया प्रेजेंस जो आपकी है, अपने जितने भी ट्विटर हैंडल है, ट्विटर हैंडल का लिंक, फेसबुक लिंक, इंस्टा आईडी का लिंक, लिंक्डइन का लिंक, यहाँ पर आपको सारे लिंक प्रोवाइड कराने हैं. मेंशन एनी ट्रू स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकनेस, तो 2 स्ट्रेंथ और वीकनेस यहाँ पे आपको मेंशन करनी है. रेफरेंसेस मेंशन करने हैं, एनी 2 रेफरेंसेस यू कैन मेंशन हियर एंड देन यू विल क्लिक ऑन सबमिट. So after that you will be you will participate for this particular internship program. So I'll complete it later. I hope it is clear to everyone, so you can go and apply for this internship. It will help you to learn and to grow in your basically to grow your career and learn new things.